What is up, YouTube? So, I got a package in the mail, and let me open it up real quick. Try to ignore the fucking dishwasher because it's making sounds and stuff. But this is the bobber style license plate bracket with like the tail light built into it. So yeah, let's dive into it. Right, this is off Amazon. I think it's only like 20 bucks, 27 bucks, 30 bucks, something like that. So that's like the main bulk of it there. And then you got some hardware here, some screws and washers and whatnot. And then this is the actual bracket, I'm guessing, to bolt it on. And then here is the tail light and license plate mount. It's supposed to be LED, and it has the license plate light on the bottom there. But you can definitely tell that the paint is kind of for shit. Like it's cheap. Amazon. Like, I don't know if you can see like them bubbles and shit on there. And I was actually hoping that the bracket would be able to mount on the other side. That way I could not have to take the whole axle pin out. I can just pop that nut off, put it on, and be good to go. But I guess I can't do that. And if you don't understand what I'm saying, I'll show you here in a minute when I go to install it. You'll get what I'm saying. But I'm going to have to get the battery on the charger because I'm pretty sure the wires that were coming for the original taillight are not these colors. So I'm going to have to get the battery charged and figure out what I'm doing here. But yeah, I'll turn the camera back on once I get out there where I'm working on the bike. Alright, so what I was saying about if it was on the right side, like the throttle side, which I thought it was adjustable where I could just put it on either fucking side that I want to, but I guess that's not the case. I guess it has to sit on this side. But if I was able to put it on the throttle side, then I would be able to just pop this nut off, slap it on there, and put the nut back on. But I'm going to have to pull that whole axle out, so I'm going to get a jack real quick and jack the bike up so it's sitting on like that piece of wood that's down there. And I'm gonna get the light mounted up, and then I'll worry about wiring it. And yeah, we'll try to figure out the wiring. I'm just gonna probably get the voltmeter out to be safe so I don't pop no fucking fuses or nothing. And then we'll just test some stuff. I'll just hit the brake. I did get the battery charged up though. And yeah, so if you watched the last video and you want to see what the headlight looked like, bam, there she is. And I hooked it up good, like I said, because I didn't test it because the battery is dead. Here's the high beam. Yeah, just because the wires all match, they're all the same color on that. So yeah, that's all good. This one, the wires are different. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the voltmeter and see what ones like get power all the time and what ones get power when you hit the brake and all that jazz. And then yeah, we'll do that. We'll get the wiring figured out. But first I'm gonna jack it up, pull that axle out, and actually put it on. We'll do that first. Alright, so she is jacked up enough and just so the tire can spin. That way I can get it off. So I'm gonna go ahead, pop, I think it's a 17 millimeter on there. And then I'm just gonna take like fucking some vice grips or channel locks on that side and hold it because I don't have a socket that big in here. I don't feel like walking out to the garage to get one. So I'm gonna pop the tire off, get the little bracket for the light, wherever the hell it is. This little bracket just mounted on there, and then I'll mount the light on and figure the wiring out. So I'll bring it back once I got her all mounted up and let you know. Alright, got her on there. It's just finger tight right now. I gotta tighten it up. But the back nut is a 13 millimeter, which is fucking retarded because who uses a 13 millimeter? And then I just gotta grab an Allen, which is probably like, I don't know, 5 mil or something. So let's find out, I guess. These are, let's go with this 5, and we'll see if that's it. Get it out. Hold on, give me a second. Here's a 5. Does it fit? Sure fucking does. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get that tightened up just so it's on there. It's done. It's out of the way. and then I'll figure the wiring out. Alright, I got her wired up, and I used the factory wiring harness for all the taillights and shit. I took out the wires for the blinkers already, and these are the only ones I needed for the taillight. Yeah, so now it flips on when I flip the key on, and then yeah, that's it. It has a light on the bottom, light your license plate up, and that's about it. So it wasn't really that hard. Pretty much all I'm gonna do now is just, I think I'm gonna zip tie these. I'm gonna wrap it all in electrical tape so that way it doesn't stand out. I'm gonna run it down with zip ties here, and I'll just zip tie it down here. I might go up through like some of these fucking holes or something that are down here, and then that way it just stays like nice and out of the way and whatnot. But yeah, if you enjoyed this here video, I guess I can turn the lights off here. If you enjoyed the video on installing the old bobber style taillight on the little Honda Rebel that I'm bobbing out here, go ahead and drop a like, drop a thumbs up, and subscribe for all the other mods I'm going to be doing. Actually, UPS guy actually just dropped something off, so I'm going to see what that is. And then hopefully it's something else for this bad lad. I have no clue what it is. The fiance grabbed the package. But yeah, if you want to stay up to date on all the mods that I'm doing with the Rebel here, go ahead and subscribe and whatnot. And I'm going to be doing a lot more stuff with other bikes. I don't have the Grom in here, but I'm going to be painting the Grom and stuff. But and if you want to see other things that I have done to the Rebel to get it this far, then check back to the budget bobber build videos and then the headlight install, and you'll just find stuff. Just subscribe. Just do it already. Do it. Do it now.